Excuse the mess. This is the Parkside Cordless Pruner. 49 euros, no battery. You can see I've never had it out of here. It really is new. It was on sale last week and I haven't had a chance to get to it. Alright. Instructions. It's nice. Okay. Let's see what we got here. We got a wrench. Let me show you guys. A wrench. Something I can't pull out. An Allen key. And seriously, something I can't pull out. There it goes. Oh, and a new blade. Okay. Let's see if it's just a spare, maybe. Yeah, it's a spare blade. Okay. Spare blade. Awesome. All right. Parkside battery right here. And we got powered on. Showing it's good. I have to read the instructions. So it's locked right now. All right, so we can go full. You just got to hold it. It's not very heavy. I think it's a 4 amp hour battery. I think probably after a couple hours of using it, it would get heavy. And it shuts off pretty quick. There it goes. We want full. Okay, let's see how it goes. Oh, nice. Yeah, we'll get around that one. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, in case you're wondering, I am not harvesting these. Not harvesting these trees ever up here, so I'm gonna trim them out where I can mow underneath them without getting branches caught in my head. All right, but you get the idea. Pretty cool. So yeah, pretty awesome. I still got a full battery, and I trimmed out all of my olive trees up here, this walnut tree, so now I can walk underneath it. A grapevine that's there, a grapevine that's there, and this bigger grapevine's all trimmed back. Not too bad.